Cough won't let you sleep? Your kitchen might be the pharmacy you didn't know about. Last week I coughed all night. Nothing worked until this simple mix. First, slice 1-inch ginger, boil 5 to 7 minutes, then strain, add 1 to 2 teaspoon honey when warm. And sip slowly, relief in minutes. Ginger calms inflammation, honey coats the throat. Studies say it works as well as syrup for coughs. Would you try this tonight? Comment honey if yes. Medicine cabinet? Wait. The cure can also be in your kitchen. Follow for more practical tips for your health. Share, your friends might find it helpful too.